Hey, if you've been getting nails or screws in your tire and you're tired of going to your local tire shop every time, it's time to stop. In this video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to patch up your tire yourself. Get it done in under 10 minutes and save yourself a lot of time and money. You'll want to keep this tire patch kit in your car at all times. I got mine off Amazon, links in the description below. So let's get into it. So here's my front passenger tire. It has a screw in it and has been slowly leaking air. A quick way to find out if your tire is leaking is to spray some soapy water on the area. If you see bubbles, that means air is escaping. Time to patch it up. Let's unbox this tire patch kit and see what comes in the bag. Inside, we've got sticky tire patch strips, lubricant, the spiral reaming tool, the handle insert tool, a pair of pliers, and a razor blade. It all fits nicely into this compact pouch, super handy for keeping in the car. Now let's get to work. First, jack up your car just enough so the tire isn't bearing the full weight. This protects the rim when we deflate the tire. Remove the valve stem cap, and using a flathead screwdriver, gently press the needle in the valve to let the air out. You don't have to deflate it completely, but the more air out, the easier it is to work with. Grab the pliers from the kit and pull out the screw. If it's stubborn, rock it gently back and forth. Now take the spiral tool and push it into the hole. This cleans it out and makes it just wide enough for the patch strip. It might feel tight, but that's what you want. Work it in and out a few times. Next, grab the handle insert tool and apply some of the included lubricant to it. This makes the job way easier. Now take one of the patch strips, heads up, it's super sticky, and using pliers, thread it through the eye of the handle tool until it's halfway through, like this. Now insert the handle tool into the hole you made. Here's the trick. Don't just force it in, twist as you push. That turning motion makes it slide in much smoother. Stop pushing once there's a little bit of the patch strip left sticking out. Then press down on the tool and pull the handle straight out. The patch will stay in the tire, sealed tight. Now let's inflate the tire using my portable inflator, link for that in the description as well. Once it's fully inflated, spray the patched area again with some soapy water. If you don't see any bubbles, you're good to go. Use the included razor blade to cut off the excess patch sticking out of the tire, nice and clean. One last spray of soapy water to double check. No bubbles? Perfect. And that's it! Tire patched, money saved, and peace of mind on your next road trip. Put everything back in the pouch and toss it in your trunk. You'll always be ready the next time this happens. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical DIY content. Thanks for watching.